Here we have a rather rare map of the River Shannon from source to right down the whole length of the river to estuary. I came across it by accident. Can't remember exactly where, but it was folded over, and it's only when I opened it out I discovered what it actually was. So it's a map of the Shannon, and here it gives in a table format the changes in elevation down through the river at its major steps. The interesting here is how flat the river basin is, where the majority of the elevation changes actually come as we get out of Lough Derg and head towards Limerick, which means when flooding happens, it's in a basin, and it's rather like a slow-moving lake if you look at those changes. Then down another table here we have the distance charts, the table of distances. You can see that they're all hand done, of course, handwritten. And then down here we have seasonal flooding. Even then, back in 1939, there was information of that. To the map itself from the source, I'll give you some of the details. You may not be able to see it all. So right through there to the source, Lough Allen sluice, all the sluices and details of them. Tamanbury, Jamestown, right down through Lough Ree, Athlone sluices. And I can't show you all the details, but it's there on the map, as you can see, on all the tributary rivers, which is important to the flow of the Shannon because they feed into it, down through Lough Derg, into Killaloe, of course, and down then, of course, here where the Ireland Crusher Power Station is just a pencil line at that stage, shortly after it begun, and then down into Limerick, through the Meigh there, right through to the Fergus River feeding in from Ennis, all the islands, and right through to the Kilrush and right out to the coast. Okay, we need to give credit to the map person, the person who drew the map. Can't make out his name. It looks like JP, and he's Chief Engineer, Office of the Public Works, Dublin, and he completed this map on the 26th of October 39, and it's approved, which I love, by his the navigation inspector, the same date, 26th of October 39. I love it. I would consider myself an inkist. I use ink as my basic drawing technique, and this for me is just a wonderful, wonderful map. So hope you like it, and we're looking to make museum level copies of it. So we'll let you know.